Welcome to Beautyistic, where we don't just review products, we dive into what truly makes them tick. If you're on the hunt for a skincare solution to address the signs of aging, like sagging skin, fine lines, and wrinkles, then you might want to stick around. Today, we're talking about Pevonia's Power Repair Age Correction Firming Marine Elastin Cream, a luxurious face cream designed to firm and hydrate while potentially offering a younger, more taut appearance. But does it actually live up to its promises? Let's take a closer look. Pevonia's Power Repair Marine Elastin Cream combines some heavy-hitting ingredients aimed at targeting mature skin's needs, including firming and revitalizing. In terms of formulation, it promises a blend of marine elastin, which mimics the skin's natural elasticity and helps replenish the skin's moisture barrier. If you've been on the hunt for something that tackles free radicals and UV damage, this cream promises to do just that, repairing skin while keeping it hydrated and protected. We'll also take a closer look at the texture, fragrance, and how it feels throughout the day. So how does it perform in real-world testing? I've been using this cream for the last couple of weeks, both morning and night, as part of my routine. The first thing I noticed is its rich yet light texture. It feels thick when applying, but it absorbs into the skin quickly, leaving no greasy residue, which is a huge win for me. On application, the cream has a subtle, clean scent, not overpowering at all. I've been especially focused on areas where fine lines and sagging skin are more noticeable, like my cheeks and jawline, and I've noticed my skin feels firmer immediately after use. Over time, I've observed a slight reduction in the appearance of fine lines. There's definitely a boost in skin smoothness and hydration, but as for the dramatic lifting or tightening effects, I'd say it's a gradual improvement rather than an instant transformation. Now let's break it down. Pevonia's Power Repair Marine Elastin Cream has a lovely consistency and is incredibly easy to apply. It's not too thick, so it won't sit heavily on your skin, but it's rich enough to give that deep moisturizing effect. It's great for nighttime use, especially if you're looking to lock in moisture while you sleep. However, if you're someone with oily skin, you may want to test it first to see how it reacts. For dry or combination skin though, this is a dream. What I love about this cream is how deeply moisturizing it is, and it does seem to restore some vitality to tired skin. The fact that it protects from free radicals and UV damage is a huge plus in the anti-aging department. That said, while it helps with firming, I didn't see as dramatic a change in sagging skin as I had hoped, though that may take longer or require more consistent use over time. Let's talk value for money. At $130 for 50 millimeters, this isn't a drugstore product by any means, but considering the ingredients and the luxurious feel of the cream, it's not out of line with high-end skincare options. It's a bit of an investment, but if you're committed to maintaining a youthful appearance and tackling sagging, it could be worth it. If you're looking for a high-performing, no-compromise moisturizer with anti-aging benefits, you may feel it's justified. However, if you're on a budget, there are definitely other products that provide comparable hydration and some firming effects without the hefty price tag. In terms of build quality, Pevonia does a great job here. The packaging is sleek, and the cream comes in a sturdy glass jar with a nice, easy-to-open lid. It's not the most travel-friendly, as glass jars tend to be a bit heavy, but it does feel premium. You also get quite a bit of product for the price, so it's likely to last a good while, making it more cost-effective in the long run. Customer service with Pevonia is generally well-reviewed, but I didn't have any direct experience with them for this particular product. If you have concerns about your skin or how the cream works, their website offers plenty of resources, and I'd assume their customer service team would be just as knowledgeable and helpful. As for alternatives, if you're looking to get similar results without breaking the bank, you could try some more affordable products, like CeraVe's Skin Renewing Night Cream, which is deeply moisturizing and can help with skin texture, or Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream, which is often praised for its firming and anti-aging benefits at a more accessible price point. Both provide hydration and may help with fine lines and skin elasticity. To sum up, Pevonia's Power Repair Marine Elastin Cream is an impressive product, especially if you're focused on restoring firmness and moisture to mature or aging skin. It's rich, hydrating, and packed with ingredients designed to protect and repair. But if you're after an instant facelift effect, this may not be the product for you. It works best with consistent use and could be a fantastic addition to your routine if you're serious about anti-aging. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.